Let Jane Tata said, in a free enterprise, the community is not just another stakeholder in business but is in fact the very purpose of its existence. In his philosophy, rehabilitation and resettlement of people who got displaced by large projects need to be handled with special care, empathy, and compassion. Industry too is responsible for improving the quality of life of project affected people and facilitating for them sustainable livelihood. According to the founder, Tata Steel is continually committed to improve the quality of life of the displaced. That's why the company considers the people displaced as part of its own family, the Tata Steel Parivar. Rehab colony established by the company in Trijanga at Kalinganagar is based on that facilities. It has all the basic facilities such as 16 km all-weather motorable road, 32 km of drainage, solid waste and garbage management to dedicated agencies, etc. It has also provided sodium vapor halogen lamp for street lighting. Tata Steel Parivar members are also now use safe potable drinking water from running tap and consume 500 watts per family electricity. Use of Parivar member use community center for recreational purposes provided by the company. Round the clock healthcare facility is being provided in Trijanga Rehabilitation Colony. All of this hard work of rehabilitating tribals in a better atmosphere has blossomed into emerging township where rural Odisha and urban Odisha coexist. Here morning starts with youth getting ready to go to work in the Tata Steel fabrication yard, while women are either busy in kitchen garden and innovative nutritional as well as economical support for Parivar members or in poultry farm. That does not mean that they have forgotten their culture. Utmost care has been taken by the company that these tribals celebrate festivals like Maghe Parab, Baha and Jomnama, etc. in much enthusiasm. This rehab colony proved that building a better life is always the purpose of Tata Steel. Padma Shri Dr. Tulsi Munda visited Tata Steel Rehab Colony to have a first-hand experience about Tata Steel's CSR work, and she appreciated Tata Steel's rehab work.
कंपनी पचरे आसी टाटा कंपनी नेचर नहीं लोक हैरान कर तोड़बी तार सभ्यता ही नहीं टाटा कंपनी भल कंपनी से कारखाना करवा दरकार से माने प्रकृति रे खाली घर देना से जीवन जीविका जोटा कि कहुच्छी आम जीवन जीविका भी से दि जाऊँगी सुप्त मानसिकता को जागृत करवा हूँ टाटा कंपनी तो करे करुच्ची